In today's video, I am going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. If your messages or the interface feel too small or too large, adjusting the zoom can make reading and composing email much more comfortable. I'll walk you through the options in the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, and Classic Outlook, plus a couple of quick keyboard methods that work almost everywhere. Let's start with the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. When you are viewing your mailbox, go to the View tab and select Zoom. You'll see plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the magnification, and a reset option to quickly go back to the default. Typically 100%. This is great for fine-tuning your reading experience without changing your actual message content. If you are composing a message, switch to the Format Text tab and choose Zoom. Pick a specific percentage that feels right, like 110% or 125%. So the text in your draft is easier to work with. In some Compose windows, you'll also find a small zoom slider in the bottom right corner. Drag it left to zoom out or right to zoom in for on-the-fly adjustments. One more note for the web version. Browser zoom using Ctrl plus or minus affects the entire Outlook page, including the message list and navigation. If you are using Classic Outlook on Windows, look to the bottom right corner of the reading pane. Here is a zoom slider right there. Drag left to zoom out or right to zoom in until the text looks comfortable. Next to the slider, you'll see a percentage value. Click it to open the zoom dialog. You can choose a preset between 75% and 400%. If you want this to be your default for reading, check Remember My Preference, then click OK. Keep in mind that setting applies to the reading pane when you preview emails. For quick keyboard methods, hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. This works while reading and composing in most versions of Outlook, and is a fast way to adjust on the spot. You can also press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in, or Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. These shortcuts are handy when you want immediate control without hunting for menus. That's it. Thanks for watching.